Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my most loved hair care product the last year. I would love to recommend you guys some of my favorite products which I used on a daily basis. These are my holy grail products. So I will let you know guys about my favorite product of the last year. Seriously, these are the products which I loved and I'm using since from so long. I honestly think you need these products. So I'm gonna start with this video now. First is Scotchcroft Super Soft Repair and Care Shampoo. It makes hair soft and clean. It makes scalp healthier. The shampoo is too good. And it smells amazing. It makes hairs look soft, smooth, voluminized, gives a lustre to the hair, removes dryness and frizziness from the hair. And after a few uses, you will see the itchiness from the scalp is almost gone. And the hairs don't feel dry and stay in place all day. Should try this shampoo once. Link for all these products I will mention in the description box. So you can check out over there. So the next is Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. I've already talked about it in my previous hair care video. You can go and check out there. You will get the detailed info about it. This hair mask repairs damaged hair. You can use this hair mask pre and post shampoo. It turns frizzy hairs to look gorgeous. It gives hairs a feel and look of a professional treatment. It does not make hair limp and does not make the scalp oily. This is amazing. So the next is OGX Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. This is my new packaging. The one I am using is in my washroom. This conditioner do its job fabulously. It smoothens the hair without weighing it down. It works very well in moisturizing dry hairs. It makes hair sleek, shiny and super smooth. And the hairs are quite easy to style after using this. So the next is Moroccan oil. Every time I use it, it makes hair super soft and manageable. It is an oil serum that tames the frizz down. I love its divine cell which is long lasting. Though this oil has a thick consistency, but it gets absorbed into hair so quickly. As it is made of argan oil, it is rich in antioxidant. And this is suitable for all hair types. I know this is a bit expensive, but it's worth every pound. So you should definitely go for this. So the next is the Natural Wash Coconut Oil. This is a virgin cold pressed oil. It is 100% pure and natural. Coconut oil helps in removing the dandruff and the itchiness from the scalp. As it is pure and 100% organic, it does not have any side effects. It nourishes the hair and regulates the blood circulation and gives a blood circulation while doing chumpy to the hairs. It has an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to it. It reduces the flakiness from the scalp. I use its neem and coconut oil together. Both works wonder for the hairs. This is an amazing product. You guys will love this. You should give it a try and it is quite affordable too. So the next is BBlunt Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoos are the lifesaver. If you guys not have a time to wash your hair, this will work as a magic to your hairs. This dry shampoo adds freshness and volume to the hair as it makes your hairs feel that you had washed it now. It smells so good. It is quite easy to use. It is in a spray form. Just spray it and massage it. Thus the powder disappears. That's it. It gives texture and volume to the hair. It is amazing lifesaver. So the next is Panting Oil Replacement Cream. This is the power of nourishing oils in a cream form. I don't know how much tubes I have used already. No counts for it. This is the best leave-in cream in an affordable range. It provides extra nourishment to the dry, dull hairs. And even you can use this pre and post shower. It helps in detangling your hairs quite easily. It makes hairs feel soft and smooth. It does not have a sticky formula. It works just as a moisturizer, but works wonders, and its smell is too good. So the next is Vela Professional Extreme Styling Moves. It gives a boost and volume to the hair. It makes hair glossy, controlled and salon perfect. Apply on damp hair evenly from roots to end and blow dry. Give a beautiful volume and it holds for a longer. This is amazing. So the next is Oriflame Super Hold Styling Hairspray. I use this to hold hair in place after styling. It is an amazing product. It sets the hair in place after styling. So the last is Squashcraft Heat Protecting Spray. It will protect your hair from heat damage. Just spray it all over your hair before using a heating tool. And even it protects from UV rays too. So that is amazing. This will help your hairs to not get damaged after using a heating tools. I really love this heat protection spray. So guys, these are my absolute favorite products that I was extremely loving throughout 2019. I feel this really helped me and makes my hair texture good, smooth and silky. This product makes a biggest difference to my hairs. So those were the products which works very well for my hair type. So I tend to pick them. That's all. I hope you like this video and this video has helped for you. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite from this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.